there, I'm Sarah Maiga, your go-to real estate expert and broker of Maiga Homes. If you're new here and interested in all things real estate, be sure to hit the subscribe button by clicking that little icon in the bottom right-hand corner of the video. I publish videos on a new real estate topic every week, and you don't want to miss anything. So, let me introduce today's topic and the 6th video in the Best of Canton, Michigan series. What is radon gas and why you need a mitigation system? We hear many times that our environment can have an impact on us, especially our health. Sometimes it can actually be our house that is the concern. Radon gas is a combination of the two, the environment and our house. Radon is a radioactive, naturally occurring gas. It is inert, colorless, and odorless, therefore hard to detect on its own. It's in rocks, soil, and underground water forming naturally when there's a breakdown of radioactive metals such as uranium or radium. Radon gas is around us, but in our homes, this gas primarily comes from the ground into the house through cracks and gaps in the building. All types and ages of homes can be affected. Since radon gas originates in the ground, the most common area to find levels of the gas would be in your basement or the lowest level of your home. However, because gas rises, there could be levels in your upper areas of your house too. Based on the Environmental Protection Agency data, Michigan is a mid-range radon gas system. Wayne County tends to be on the higher side of the scale, however. Homes can be found in various ranges within the county or state. For total peace of mind, have a radon gas test. You might wonder what to do now if you have high levels of radon gas in your home. Though you can do little things like sealing holes and cracks, opening windows, and getting better circulation of air, this will probably not be enough. Your best bet is to get a radon mitigation system. There are various types of systems depending on your house's foundation. The goal is to reduce the radon gas concentration in your indoor air. The best bet is to find a contractor with expertise in handling radon gas. They will work with you to determine the solution. A mitigation system typically costs between $800 to $1,200 depending on the complexity of the system, and they can guarantee radon levels lower than the EPA standards. In addition, they offer smart radon systems now so that they can monitor changes and notify you if the system needs to be serviced or if the levels rise above what they're supposed to be within the system. If you decide to do a DIY, check with your local county or state government offices for any restrictions or requirements. So will having a mitigation system scare away future home buyers? Though it might seem like a concern or problem, in reality it's a great benefit. This shows that you've taken care of your home and have prevented future issues, and gives the buyer peace of mind that radon will not be an issue. This often saves time during inspection as well, because if you have an active mitigation system installed, the buyer might not feel that they need to do a radon test. That test must sit in the home for a minimum of 48 hours before the results can be read. So not having to do one expedites the process and saves the buyer money. I hope that I've given you a lot to think about and that you've learned a lot from today's episode. Please subscribe to my channel today, as I'll be releasing new videos every week. And tune in to next week's episode, What is a Well and Septic Time of Sale program? As always, if you think you may want to make a move in the next year, or you might want to downsize, give me a call and set up a consultation today, as I create custom moving plans for all of my clients up to a year in advance. In addition, I work with a variety of contractors who can help with things like decluttering, estate sales, paint, carpet, handyman work, moving, and more. Plus, if I'm not able to personally assist you, don't worry, I am well connected, and I can find you a similarly qualified agent anywhere in the world. In fact, if you haven't yet had a chance, please check out another one of my videos on why you should get a realtor referral for an agent when relocating. This will teach you about how realtor-to-realtor referrals work and what to expect when you ask me for one. You can also check out my other series on my YouTube channel, such as relocation, selling a home, buying a home, new construction, downsizing, buying and selling simultaneously, and more. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.